Windows 8 produced by Microsoft for use on personal computers including home and business desktops, laptops, tablets, and home theaters PCs. Development of Windows 8 started before the release of its predecessors in 2009. Additional security features in Windows 8 include two new authentication tailored towards the touchscreen, which is PIN and picture passwords. The addition of antivirus capabilities to Windows Defender, bringing it in parity with Microsoft Security Essentials, smart screen filtering integrated into the desktop, and support for the secure boot functionality and UEFI system to protect against malware infecting the boot viruses. So this is the additional security features that is included in the Windows 8. Now let's see what is the minimum requirement of Windows 8. As you can see in this file, Windows 8 requires minimum 1 GHz processor for 32-bit or 64-bit architecture system. Minimum requirement for RAM, which is the random access memory, is 1 GB for 32-bit system, and for 64-bit system it is required 2 GB. Graphics card requirements are DirectX 9 graphics devices or any higher drivers. Display screen resolution for the PC is 1024 by 768 pixels. Input device needed is keyboard and mouse or a multi-touch display screen. Minimum hard disk requirement for installing Windows for 32-bit system 60 GB and for 64-bit system 20 GB. So this is the basic requirement of Windows 8. First, let's start with the how to open the start menu. In Windows 8, there is the no start button in the taskbar. So how to open the start menu? To open the start menu, first take your pointer to lower left corner of your screen. So you can see one icon will be displayed which displays start. Click in that corner. Now you can see this is the start menu of the Windows 8, and this is the new look, which is the Windows Store look or Metro look of Windows 8. So there is no start menu like the Windows 7 or any lower version of Windows. Now let's see how to open various apps. These are the various apps: Mail, Calendar, Internet Explorer, Photos. This is the finance, by which we can see various financial information which are currently online. This is the news app for reading the news online, and these all are the applications. Now let's open the one app. Suppose I want to open the news app. So this is the news app. Now you can see various news in this app. These news are from the Bing Daily. So you can see Google, there is no avoiding Google Plus, one of the news which is categorized under the technology tab. Click on that news. You can see news is loading and you can read that whole article. So this is about opening application or Windows Store app. Now how to close this app? There is no close menu in the upper right corner. So to close this menu, go to the upper screen of app and you can see one hand will be displayed. Press the mouse button and float it under the screen like this and release the mouse button key. So app is closed. So this is the technique of opening app and closing the app, and it is the mainly provided for touchscreen like interface. Now there is another way of opening start menu. Go to the upper right corner and one floating menu will be displayed like this. To open the start menu, click on the start. So start menu will be open. To go to the desktop, there is one tab which is the desktop. Click on that. You will be redirected to the desktop. There are various options available like search, share, devices, settings. In setting you can see another option for control, personalization and PC info. So this is the various features. Up to now we have seen how to open the start menu and how to open and close various applications. Now go to the start menu and open any application. I am opening news. Now also open one more app which is the weather. Weather shows the weather of current city. My city is the Paris. So I am seeing this weather information. Now to switch over between the various apps, you can use either Alt tab by which you can switch any Windows application or Windows Store app. So this way you can switch over between the various application. Other way to switch between only the Windows app, go to the left upper corner of the screen and click on that. You can switch over between the desktop and open the Windows Store application. You can see I'm clicking on the left corner of the screen. So this open the weather app and after that it is displaying the news app. So I'm clicking, then news will be open. Now let's close. Another feature is that you can also operate one app and Windows desktop interface at the same time. For example, I want to operate desktop and weather in only one screen. Then go to the desktop and take your pointer to the left corner. Drag it and you can see two windows will be separated. So you can see now weather information is displaying. And in right side you can also operate and open your application. Like I want to open the Microsoft Explorer, then I can do this. At the same time I can also operate this area. So this is the various method or various technique by which you can operate in Windows 8 and this facility is provided by Windows 8. Now to close this, go to the upper area and drag it to lower area of the screen. It will be closed. Now let's see another feature, how to hide and de-hide the folders in the Windows 8. I'm opening one folder which is Windows 8. To hide this folder, go to the view menu and select hide selected items and apply changes to this folder, or you can select one of the option of these two options. Click on the OK. This folder will be hide. Now I want to hide this folder, so go to the option and select view tab. Don't show hidden files and folder or drives. Select that option and click on apply. You can see my folder is hide. Now to de-hide, click on the show hidden files and folders and drive and apply. You can see now folder is displayed but not de-hide. So go to the option and deselect the hide selected items and apply changes to this folder. So now this folder is not hidden. So this is the various operation. So to search anything through the Windows 8, you need to go to the option search. For that, take your mouse pointer to the upper right corner and click on the search. So it will open this window. Now what you want to search? If you want to search any application, then write that application name. For example, I want to search for the Internet Download Manager. So I am writing IN. So you can see various apps which are starting from IN and select app which you want to open. So this is the one way. Now if I want to search not only in my PC but through various applications, then I can also search in Windows 8. For example, I want to search for America, then I am writing America and I want to search this America word on the Internet Explorer. So I am selecting Internet Explorer. Click on the Internet Explorer. You can see America will be open. So these are the various results related to America. Now I want to search India using the map application. So I am writing India in the search and click on the maps application. So map application will be open and it will search maps of the India on the internet. So it is loading the map application and loading the maps of India country. Now you can see the map of the India is loaded. You can enlarge the Indian map by this option plus and minus. So when you click on the plus, it will enlarge the India map. So you can see this is the India map or India search through map application. I can also search through the various application like travel, video, news. Throughout this application, I can get information for search at keyword. For example, I want to search for India on news application. Then you can see various news about the India will be displayed in the news application, which are the current news. So these are the facility provided by Windows 8. We don't need to open any application for the searching. You can directly put a keyword and open the application on which you want to search. First, locate or go to the path where your software is stored. My software is stored on the desktop and I want to install VLC Media Player and double click on the VLC Media Player setup file. Now installing initialization will be start and follow the procedure which you follow in the same Windows 7 or any other version. Now you can see VLC Media Player is being set up or being installed. Click on the finish. Now you can see the VLC is installed. Now I want to run some media on the VLC player, so I am opening some media in the VLC player. You can see the media is running in the VLC player. To close the ordinary application, you have to use close button. So I am closing the VLC media player. Now to uninstall the application, you have to go to the setting and select control panel and select uninstall a program which is under the programs category. Now we are in the programs and features. Locate the application which you want to uninstall. I want to uninstall the VLC Media Player. So I am selecting VLC Media Player 1.1.4 and click on the uninstall and change. So it will start uninstall wizard. Click on the next and select uninstall. So you can see completing the VLC Media Player uninstall wizard. So this is the method of how to install and uninstall program in Windows 8, which is similar to the ordinary operating system which is Windows XP or Windows 7. Go to the first start menu. Now to change the profile picture, which is our profile picture, this. Now this is our profile picture, which is the default by the system. Now to change this profile picture, right click on this option and select change account picture. So it will open one window which is PC setting. Now to change the account picture, there is a one button called browse. You can also account picture using the camera which is built in your laptop or any webcam. Now I want to set the account picture which is already in my PC or machine. So I'm clicking on the browse button. Now the locate your picture. So I am going up by go to up link, and this is my desktop. You can see here desktop is written. This is my desktop. Select the picture. My picture is this. I want to set this picture as my profile picture. So I am selecting this picture and click on the choose image. So this picture is set. Now you can also set the lock screen, which is when you log into the system, then this will display. I am clicking on the various picture which are the built-in pictures provided by the system. These are the various picture provided by system. You can also set your own picture by clicking on the browse. So if I want to set the my own picture, then I can select any picture and click on the choose picture button. So you can see this picture is selected and set as your lock screen button. So this is the way by which you can set your picture of account picture and lock screen. You can set your start screen also. Start screen means when you click on the start button, what will be displayed in background of the start menu. So I want to set my default pattern like this. Click on that pattern. Now your pattern will be changed. You can see pattern is changed. So this is the way by which you can set your account picture as well. So first go to the start menu. To create the password, right click on your account and select change account picture. So it will open PC setting. Now click on the users. There are various options available for sign in option. You can change your password, you can create picture password, and you can also create pin. So these are the three options by which you can set your password. Let's see how to create picture password. So select a picture password. We have already set our password, so we are not going to discuss how to change your password. We are just selecting create a picture password. At a time of creating a picture password, it will ask you to enter a current password. So I am entering my current password and clicking on to the OK. Now the screen is displaying what to do for creating a picture password. Observe these patterns. First, we are creating dot and then dragging drop and creating one line and then creating one circle. Now let's start. You have to choose picture for creating a picture password. So click on the choose picture. I am selecting Windows 7 and click on the open and click on the use this picture. Now it will display various steps. There are 3 steps involved to create picture password. Let's click on the first step. First step, draw one dot. Click on the upper left wing of Windows logo. So we have created first step. Now second step, is to draw a line in our picture. So I am creating line above Windows logo. So this is our second pattern. And third pattern is to round over the pattern of our picture. I am rounding over Windows logo. So we have created pattern. Now confirm this pattern. One gesture on the window logo, line and round over the logo. So you can see congratulations message is displayed. You have successfully created your picture password. Click on the finish. Now our picture password is created. Now to create pin password, click on the create pin. It will also ask for your current password. I am entering my current password. Now enter the pin which you want to set as your pin password. I am entering my pin and click onto the finish. You can see now your password for pin is created. So this is the way by which we can set our pin password. In Windows 8, shutting down and power setting options are quite different from Windows 7 and Windows XP. So now let's learn how to set various powering options which is displayed in this setting menu. To shut down the window, you can go to the setting and there is a one option called power. Click on that power button. It will display sleep, hibernate, shutdown and restart. So if you want to remove one of these options from this menu, then you have to set some configuration. For that, go to the control panel. In control panel, go to the power options and select power option. There are various options available in power option. Now we want to set various button which will be displayed in the power menu. So click on the choose what the power button does. Now you can set various options. For example, when I press the power button, what will it do? It will sleep, hibernate, shut down or do nothing. Now if I want to remove this sleep menu, then I can remove this by deselecting this sleep. And if I want to remove this hibernate, then I can also deselect this option and it will remove the hibernate option from the power menu which is located in the setting. So it will not display in this menu. So this is the way by which you can set various power options. Now other power options are also available. For example, choose when to turn off the display. If you want to turn off the display after 2 minutes, if there is on battery mode, then you can select time from this drop down. You can give any time which you want to give. The option is turn off the display. It will completely turn off the display. And there is the put the computer to sleep after 15 minutes when it will be on battery mode. And last option is the adjust plan brightness. This option will adjust the brightness of the system. So when you lower the brightness, decrease and increase the display brightness. So this is about various power options available. So to install the Store app, go to the first Start menu and then select Store application, which is this. Click on the Store application. It will explore the Store application. And to install the Store application, you need a internet connection. So this is the interface of Store application in which you can see various type of category of application. First is the Spotlight, second is the games, another one is the social, entertainment, photos, music, videos, sports, books, reference, news, weather, health and fitness, food and dining, shopping, travel, finance, productivity, tools, security, business, education, government, etc. So these are the various types of application. Now, in each application, there can be a paid or free. For example, I want to download, click on the games, and it will take some time to load various games. Now you can see various games which are available in the store are displayed. Now you can also select various categories. For example, action, adventure, or kids, music, that type of application. You can also filter that by price. For example, I want to only watch free games, then I can select free. So it will filter the result and display only the free games. Now these all are the free games. So select one of the game which you want to install in your system. There are various and lots of game available on the Windows Store and lots of games that are also free. So I am selecting Chess for All and click on that game. Now this displays Chess for All game. Here snapshot of the chess game is displayed, and here you can see 151 are rating for this game and star also given. Now to install this game, click on to this button install. Here is the various property of the games are given, which is download size, age rating, publisher of the game. Now to install this game, click on the install button. Go to the start menu. In start menu you can see Chess for All is displayed and it is displaying installing. So now this game is being installed. To see progress of installation wizard, you can go to the menu, you can click on the game. It will display the progress of game. You can see here Chess for All download progress, which is 23% completed. When this download finish, you can access this application. So wait for the download to be complete. Now you can see your apps were installed. So games is installed. Now let's see and open the game. Click on the Chess for All icon of game. When game is installed, it will display message on upper right corner. So you can see here message is displayed. Now game is showing its various setting. Click on the computer to play the game and enjoy the chess game. So this is about installing the various application from the Windows. Go to the start menu. The application which is pre-installed in the system use internet resources. So when you are connected to internet, then it automatically fetch data from the internet and utilize your bandwidth of internet. So when you restrict this type of features for accessing data, you can make application turn it off live. So to make turn it off live any application, right click on the application and select turn live tile off, and it will become unavailable to internet and it will not utilize any your internet resources. So this is the method of restricting for internet access of your system. Another thing is how to uninstall various Windows Store app. There is a method of uninstalling desktop application by control panel, but this option is not available for any Windows Store application in control panel. So for uninstall the Windows Store application in the Windows 8, you have to right click on the application which you want to uninstall. For example, I want to uninstall this spot application. So I am right clicking on that app and click on the uninstall button. So it will ask, are you sure that you want to uninstall? Click on the uninstall and you can see this application is removed and it is uninstalled from the system. Now you make search for the spot application, it will not displayed. In case you search news, it will display news application. Now another option is, if you don't want to uninstall but if you don't want to show application in the start menu, then there is an option of unpinning. So if you want to unpin this application from the start menu, then right click on the application and select unpin from the start. So it will disappear from the start menu, but it will not uninstall. Go to the search menu and search for finance. You can see finance is displayed. You can open that finance application and finance will utilize your internet resource and fetch the data of finance news. So this is the method of uninstalling application. And up till now you have done only offline work except downloading apps from the internet. But when you log in with the Microsoft account, Microsoft keep track of your activity and based on that Microsoft give you some suggestion. So for that you have to log in the system with Microsoft account. So currently we are logged in with the Microsoft local account. To log in with the Microsoft account, right click on the Microsoft user icon and select change account picture, which will open PC setting. Now go to the user and switch to Microsoft account. Click on this button. It will ask to current password. I am entering my password. After that, it will ask for your Microsoft account email. I am entering my email address. Enter your full email and click on the next. After that, it will ask you to enter the password. Then enter the password and click onto the next button. And it will set up for logging into the Microsoft account. It will ask for your country, phone number, alternate email, your secret question. Enter the details which you want to enter and select the various security question. I am entering various details like alternate email and security question and click on the next button. Now we have signed in into Microsoft account, so click on the finish button and it will prepare our Microsoft account. So you can see now button is switch to local account. So we are now logging with the Windows 8 tutorial, which is our Microsoft Hotmail account. So this is the way by which we can become online into our system. Now you can access various Xbox games. You can use your Microsoft account for uploading photos on the SkyDrive, to use Facebook, mail services and lots of other services. For example, let's open the photo application. You can upload your photo to SkyDrive directly using this application. Click on the SkyDrive option. You can see one folder is there, but there is no picture. Couldn't find any photo in here. You can see various photos which are uploaded on the SkyDrive, Facebook photos, Flickr photos and device photos. You can also see picture library photo in this application. So this is about how to log in with your Microsoft account into your system. So open mail application. You can see Hotmail is already connected because we have logged in into the system using our Hotmail account. Now, to add more accounts to this mail application, for example, I am going to people application. Click on this upper right corner connected to M and it will explore account option. Now click on to the add an account and select account which you want to add. For example, I want to connect to Google. So I am selecting Google and enter your email address. I am entering my email address of Gmail. Enter your password and click on to the connect. You can see progress of adding your account is in progress. Now you can see here Gmail is connected. Now open the mail application. You can see Gmail is connected with this email application. Click on to the Gmail and you will see various emails which are in the Gmail will be displayed, and you can switch over between this Hotmail and Gmail account without much more effort. So this is very easy and user friendly approach of Gmail and Hotmail account using this mail application, and it is very user friendly also. So first go to the start menu. In start menu there are two applications. One is the people and second is the messaging. These both applications are concentrated on the use of Facebook. For example, if I want to update my status without opening the Facebook in the browser, then I can use this People app. And if I want to chat with my friends which are online, then I can use this messaging application. So, to use this application, you must first have to log in with Hotmail account and then you can log in with the Facebook account. So let's open the people application. In people application, you have to must connect with the Facebook account. So click on the Facebook friends. It will connect to the service of Facebook. And now click on the connect button. It will ask to enter your email and password of your Facebook account. So I am entering my email and password of my account and click on to the login button. After that, it will ask permission to access Facebook account via this application. So click on to login with Facebook and click on to the allow. Now we are ready to go with Facebook using people application. So click on to the done button. Now our system is connected with the Facebook account. So you can see here my Facebook profile picture. We can also see notification using this notification option, and we can also see various recent update of the Facebook account using this what's new. But currently there is no update in my Facebook account, so it is not displaying anything. So this is the method of how to connect our account, which is the Microsoft account, with our Facebook account, and how to use this people application. In Windows 7 or Windows XP, there is a task manager which manages certain types of tasks. In Windows 8, task manager is very interactive and very efficient and very useful. So to open the task manager in the Windows 8 is similar to the Windows 7 or Windows XP. Press Alt Control Delete and then it will ask what do you want to do. If you want to switch user, if you want to lock, if you want to sign out, or if you want to open the task manager, then you can select option among this list. I want to open the task manager, so I am clicking onto the task manager. So it will open the task manager. Now you can see various processes which are involved in current execution. One of the process is messaging, people, and task manager. These three processes are currently run by user. For example, I run chess and I am opening chess, then chess will be added to this task manager process. Now I want to close this application without going to this app. So I can kill this process by using right clicking onto the app and click onto the end task. So it will closed. So when task manager needed, there are situations when there is a more load onto the memory and your system becomes hang and you can't do anything onto your system, then you have to use this task manager. You can kill certain processes and you can lower your burden onto the CPU or memory. You can see what are the CPU usage and what are the memory usage of particular application. Messaging application is using 33 MB of my memory and 58.3 MB is used by people application. There are various processes which are executing in background. These all are the processes which are executing in background, and certain processes are critical to the system which must be executed, otherwise system will be crashed. Now let's see performance tab. You can see performance of the system. Utilization of resource is average 40, speed is 1 or 2 gigahertz, total processes are 77, threads are 952, it handles 3396 around processes. You can also see memory graph. You can see how much memory is in our system and how much is utilizing. My memory is utilizing 3 GB. You can also see disk performance, Bluetooth performance, Wi-Fi performance, and you can see various performance graph in this performance tab. You can also see app history, how much network is used by which application. Bing have used 0.1 MB, Finance have used 0.1 MB, and all the apps which have used network resources are displayed in this app history. You can also set startup application. For example, I want to start up WinUp onto the start of the system, then I can set it disable or enable. So currently it is disable. You can also see various details of particular application and various services which are currently run by the system. To set various PC setting, first go to the start menu and right click on the Windows tutorial icon which is our user icon and click onto the change account picture, so it will open PC setting window. Now you already know about account picture, start screen and lock screen. Now how to switch to local account. Currently we are logged in with the online account which is our Windows tutorial at hotmail.com. Now if I want to switch to my local account, then I have to click on this button by which I can switch to my local account. So write current password. After that you have to enter your details of password. So I am entering my details of password of my local account and clicking onto the next button. Now it will ask sign out and finish. So when I click onto this button, it will sign out my online account and switch over to my local account. So click onto the sign out and finish button and it is preparing for our local account. After signing out and signing in, you can see in your PC setting, switch to Microsoft account is displayed in place of switch to local account. Means you are currently logged in with your local account. You can see here local account is written. Now various options are available like notification. What type of notification you will get? You can set by this notification setting. For example, if you want to get notification about games, Internet Explorer, mails, then you can set on and off. Other facility is search facility. We have also learned about search and there are various search options. For what application you want to make search or you want to provide search facility, this can be given by using this search option. For example, if I disable this Internet Explorer to off, then I cannot make search using this Internet Explorer application. So this is about search setting. You can also share some data with using some application like mail services, people which is the Facebook and other social networking websites and SkyDrive. Using three this application you can share your data. If I don't want to share my mail, then I can turn it off. Another is the general which provide time, app switching and spelling. So by time you can set time, app switching means you can switch over between various app like these by using this app switching facility. Likewise, there are lots of options available like wireless. If I want to turn off my wireless network, then I have to click on this Wi-Fi off and I have to click on this option. So it will turn off my wireless LAN. If I want to make this my system into airplane mode, then I can do this by using clicking onto on button. So it will automatically disconnect Wi-Fi network and it is toggle type mode. And last one is the Windows update. So if I want to update my window, then I can do this using this Windows update option. So this is about various PC setting option. So to set the display setting, first write display setting and search this keyword using the setting application. So it will display some results. Now select change display setting and using this option you will redirect it to the control panel. After that there will be some option in display setting. For example, you can set resolution of your system. You can set your resolution by selecting this option. If I want to set 360 by 768, then I can select and click on to the apply button. So it will display. Do you want to keep this display setting? If you want to make changes permanent, then click on to the keep changes, otherwise revert. Now you can also give size of your items. For example, I want to display bigger size text, then I can select medium which is 125 of our current system and click on to the apply. Change will be affected after signing out to the system. So currently it will not display. Other settings are project to second screen. If I have connected my PC with the projector, then I can use this setting. For example, I can use duplicate, so it will reduce my screen size like projector. I can use extend to extend my window size and to make size of my windows larger. So last one is for second screen only and it will not display anything, so we are not going to use it. We are selecting our default mode PC screen only. Now let's see personalization. To change the background of our desktop, this personalization is used. For example, there are various built-in backgrounds available into the system. So I am selecting earth or flower. Based on that, background of the system will be changed. But you can see background is changed. If I want to select next background picture, then I have to right click on the desktop and select next desktop background. So it will change the background of desktop. So these are the various options available to set various display settings. When there are various user of your one system, then you have to add user account for giving access to your system based on privileges. So go to the control panel. After going to control panel, click on the user account and family safety. Family safety option is provided in Windows 8 only. There is no family safety option in Windows XP. Now to add the user account, click on to the user account. It will display your current user account. There are various options available. For example, change your account name, change your account type, manage other account, change user account control setting. I want to manage other account means I want to add one new account. So click on to the manage another account. It will display the list of your account which are available into the system. Now this is the guest account. If you want to disable your guest account, then you have to click on the turn of the guest account. Then guest account will be disabled. To add new account, click on to this link, add a user account. To add user account, you have to give username, password and password hint. So I am giving username, new account, password and click on to the next. It will ask, is this a child account? Turn on family safety to get report of their PC use. So if I check on this option, then information about usage of this account will be displayed to their parents. Mean this is the family safety option. My account is not child account. I am clicking on to the finish. So you can see new account is added. So this is the method of adding to the new account. Now you can sign out from this account and log in into this account which is created by Microsoft local account and sign in to this new account. After that, you can also delete this account by using delete the account. You can change the account name, you can change the password name, set up family safety, change the account type, and you can also manage other account which we have learned. So this is the way by which we can add new account and set its various property and also delete the account. So if I want to delete this account, then I have to click on this delete account link. It will ask, you want to delete files or keep files? I want to delete with files with this account. So I am clicking on delete files and click on the delete account. You can see now account is not displayed and account is deleted. So this is about how to add user account into the Windows 8. Thank you.